This is question 3 from the 2023 Higher Engineering Science paper. So we're told here that popular garden game tennis ball is attached to a pole by a length of rope and it's hit with a racket to swing around for another player to hit back. This particular player has an arm length of 0.84 meters and the ball hits the racket at a further 0.34 meters as shown below. And we are asked to calculate the force that the player has to strike the ball with to produce a torque of 295 Newton meters. So we know that our torque is equal to 295 Newton meters. And if you can't remember the equation for torque, the best thing to do is just pop to your data booklet. You can see that here torque equals Fr, T equals Fr. And so we need to find the radius, and here we're going to work that out by summing these two numbers together. So 0.34 added to 0.84 gives us a radius of 1.18 meters. Now if we rearrange this equation, we have that the force is equal to torque divided by radius, so that's 295 Newton meters divided by 1.18 meters, and that is handily going to give us an answer in newtons. That gives us 250 newtons. Don't forget to put your unit in there.